Hi guys, this is Alicia of Heartinhandnj Creations and Events. Welcome to my channel. And how are you guys this evening? I hope that all is well. And today what I'm doing is I'm sharing with you a preparation for a Shades of Blue Summery Wreath. That is an order that I have, and actually I'm supposed to make 2 wreaths. 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 I don't know how to pronounce it. Wreaths. Well, anyway, 2 wreaths, and this is what I have so far. Hope that you can see it good here. Alright. Alright, to start off, I have some turquoise blue, and like I said, it's supposed to be shades of blue. I have turquoise blue here. I have another pretty turquoise flower right here. I have a lighter shade of blue with, it has more of a, some violet in it, purpley violet color in it. I also have another type of shade of blue. There's a couple of shades on this blue by itself. And have a little bird's nest, and the birds that I have to put in it will be this pretty bird right here. I also have a butterfly with a little red in it and gold. That'll bring all that blue together, I believe. I also have a couple of white roses. I'm not going to put many, but just to make the blue pop a little bit. I also have tulle. I have the turquoise blue, white iridescent, and navy blue. So those are the shades of blue that I have so far. I'm going to also use ribbon, try to find a true blue like the bird, that color of the bird. Find that in ribbon. Instead of making a whole lot of flowers, I don't want to make the wreath have a whole lot of flowers. Excuse me guys, I'm having a hot flash. I have my own personal summers all year round, and if anybody can relate to that, give me a comment in below. So yeah guys, so just stick around with me and watch how I put this wreath together, and I also might take you along with me as I go shop for a couple more items for this wreath. Then I'll be putting it together. So on that note guys, I'm going to say like, subscribe, hit that bell so you can get a notification for when I come back to do this second part of this DIY video, and comment and share. Alright guys, talk to you soon.